Hey guys, welcome to the video today. This one is a short one. As you all know, we're in the middle of a lockdown, middle of a pandemic, and so we were house sitting in Liverpool Street recently, a couple of days ago, and I looked out on the balcony, and this is what I saw. Hopefully I'm not the only one who thought that was a bit weird and a bit unusual. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Do you like to see a plague doctor walking around the streets of London during a pandemic? But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. There's a new video coming out on Thursday, which is all about the quirkiest animal statues in London, so look out for that. But in the meantime, I've been Peter from Tanuki Twist, and we'll catch you next time.